Okay, BOOZHOO, Nij, Anishinaabe Doog, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. Get down, BOOZHOO, baby. Say hello.
BOOZHOO Gakina! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day. Once again, we didn't even talk about it. I just kind of want to do the song. Should we just... Our Ojibwe word of the day, Pink Floyd. This is a gunner's dream. Take it away, baby. Floating down through the clouds, memories come rushing up to me now. But in the space between the heavens and the corner of some foreign field, I had a dream. Goodbye, Max. Goodbye, Mom. After the service, when you're walking slowly to the car, and the silver in her hair shines in the cold November air, you hear the tolling bell and touch the silk in her lapel. And as the teardrops rise to meet the comfort of the band, you take her frail hand and hold on to the dream. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Ojibwe language is dog. You can call me Ani. That's what my friends call me. A place to stay, enough to eat, somewhere old heroes shuffle safely down the street, where you can speak out loud about your doubts and fears. And what's more, no one ever disappears. You never hear their standard issue kicking in your door. You can relax on both sides of the tracks, and maniacs don't blow holes in bandsmen by remote control. And everyone has recourse to the law, and no one kills the children anymore. No one kills the children anymore. Night after night, going round and around my brain, this dream is driving me insane. In the corner of a foreign field, a gunner sleeps tonight. What's done is done. We cannot not just write off this final scene? Take heed of the dream. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Anamosh, Ani for short. And I will see you again. Gigawaba Min, Minawa, Owa.